हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम न्यू टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे दैट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, चैप्टर नंबर 5। ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट रियल नंबर in class 10th. The real number is the collection of rational and irrational, already know. But you know that square root of negative number is not real number. Square root of negative number is complex number. In class 10th, suppose for example x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 1 is equal to 0. Can you find the value of x? X square is equal to minus 1. X is equal to root minus 1 plus minus. So it is not real, it is complex, it is imaginary. In class 10th, you know very well, when d is greater than equal to 0, then the roots are real and unequal. If d is equal to 0, it means roots are real and equal. But you know that if d is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary, correct? It is imaginary. About this we studied this chapter. Therefore you can write like this: root 2 into root minus 1, and root minus 1, that is called iota. We represent root minus 1, that is iota. This is symbol iota, I-O-T-A. That is the full form of this iota. Clear? And here root minus 1, that is equal to iota. Clear? It means, now can you tell me what is complex number? The number which is in the form of a plus iota b. The number which is in the form of a plus iota b. Z, we represent the complex number by z. A, what is A? A and B are real number. A and B are real number. Clear? For example, you can say 2 plus 3 iota. It is complex number. And you know that z is equal to a plus iota b. In this is the real part. You can write re of z. The real part, and then is called imaginary part. In short, you can write IMZ. A is called real part and B is called imaginary part. In this, you know that 2 is the real part and 3 is the imaginary part. Correct? And for example, Z is equal to 7. So in the standard form you can write z is equal to 7 plus 0 iota. It means this is the real part and 0 is the imaginary part. It means you can say z is purely real if imaginary part is 0, or z is purely imaginary if real part is equal to 0. For example, z is equal to 7 iota. In the standard form you can write 0 plus 7 iota. तो 0 is the real part and 7 is the imaginary part. You can say it is purely real. It is purely imaginary. It is purely imaginary. So Z is purely imaginary if real part is 0. Z is purely real if imaginary part is 0. Clear? Okay. देखो, for example, equality of two complex number. Equality of two complex number. Suppose करो Z1 is equal to A plus iota B and Z2 is equal to C plus iota D. Equality of two number. When you compare Z1 is equal to Z2, it is possible only when A is equal to C, real part is equal to real part, compare real part, and B is equal to D. This is the property of complex number. Two complex numbers are equal only when their real parts are equal, corresponding real parts are equal, and the corresponding imaginary parts are equal. That is the property. Clear? Okay. So this is the today topic. Clear? Thank you.